Have you ever been in a relationship with someone who made you feel like you weren't good enough? Someone who constantly belittled you, manipulated you, and made you question your own self-worth? If yes, then you may have been in a narcissistic relationship. According to the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, narcissistic personality disorder is characterized by a pattern of grandiosity, need for admiration, and lack of empathy. And when someone with this disorder is in a relationship with you, it can be emotionally and psychologically damaging. Coming out of a narcissistic relationship can leave you feeling drained, exhausted, and with a shattered sense of self. But don't worry, healing is possible, and I'm here to guide you through the process. The first step towards healing is acknowledging and accepting that you are in a narcissistic relationship. This can be difficult, as narcissists are skilled at gaslighting and making their victims doubt their own reality. But remember, it is not your fault. You are a victim of emotional abuse, and it takes strength and courage to break free from it. The next step is to journal and reflect on the relationship. Write down any red flags that you may have ignored, any incidents that made you feel uncomfortable, and any patterns of behavior that you may have noticed. This will not only help you make sense of what happened but also serve as a reminder in case you ever find yourself in a similar situation in the future. Now, it's time to focus on self-care. After being in a narcissistic relationship, your self-esteem and self-worth may have taken a hit. So, it's important to prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy, spend time with loved ones who uplift you, and practice self-compassion. Remind yourself that you deserve love and respect. Seeking therapy is also crucial in the healing process. A therapist can provide you with a safe and non-judgmental space to process your emotions, learn healthy coping mechanisms, and rebuild your self-esteem. With time and proper healing, you will start to feel like your old self again, confident, happy, and at peace. It's important to remember that healing is a journey and it's okay to take your time. So, if you're healing from a narcissistic relationship, always remember that you are not alone and it is possible to move on and have healthy relationships in the future.